Today's video, I'm going to pretty much guide you guys how to adjust the watch band and install it on your Watch Active 2. So without further ado guys, let's get started. So let's remove this first off my wrist. Okay, let's put that to the side and let's open this up. And this is what you get. You get a stainless steel watch band. Okay, and it comes with a kit so that you could adjust the watch band along with your locking pin and all those good stuff. So I already did adjust watch band, but I could show you guys how to adjust it. All right, so let's move all of these to the side. And what you need is pretty much this pin here, which we will be using to unlock or remove the locking pin on the watch band. So just grab one of those. And what you want to do next is look for an arrow. So wherever the arrow's pointing at, you wanna insert this pin. So the arrow is pointing upward, right there. So you wanna insert this pin and put it inside the hole right there. Okay. With the base, with this plastic base here, you want to mount it on top and try to align the pin to a hole down there so you can push out the pin out easily. So for example, we'll use this one here since I already adjusted this to my right size for my wrist, I mean. I'll use this as an example. All right, so there is an arrow right there pointing upward. So all you need to do is just insert this inside the hole and push it down. So here we go. I'm going to use this here. Just mount it and align that hole into the plastic where there is a hole at the bottom. You can push out the pin. All right, so let's just put it like that. And all you need to do is just hammer it out like so. All right, and I felt it. It went out. And there is the pin, guys. And all you need to do is just pull it out and it should come out easily. All right, so it's very, very simple. And to put it back, all you need to do is just put the links together, insert the locking pin, opposite direction, and hammer it back. Make sure you use the plastic side of the hammer so that you don't damage the link band. Okay, and there it goes. It went back. Oh, there's still some more sticking out. So if there is more sticking out, just continue hammering it until it goes down. All right, so there you go. It is completely flush. And that's pretty much it. That's how you adjust your watch band, guys. So now, to install it on our Watch Active 2. So with these pins over here, you need to get 2 of them. Okay, and you want to remove the old rubber watch band by just pushing or moving this downward, this pin over here. Just slide it downwards and it should come off easily. Ouch, be careful. Okay, there you go. That's one. Then you got one more down here. So just put your thumb or fingernail like so, and it should remove easily. Okay, so that is done. Now for this stainless steel watch band. Okay, what you want to do is insert one of the pin over here and put it up there. Oops, you have to be careful. Okay, like so. And then what you have to do next is pretty much, okay, just put it like so. And you want to pull this down and let go. Oh, almost there. Okay, same thing, just pull it down, slide it through, and there you have it, guys. So we've got one installed. Now grab the other pin and put it on the opposite, and the same method. You want to look for the hole there. You want to look for that hole down there and insert it like so. And you want to press down on the pin and slide it and make sure it's aligned. It's quite tricky, but you'll manage to get it. So there you go, guys. We got it installed, and now we just put it on our wrist. Okay, so there you go, and you just snap it in, and that's it. So now to match it with the stainless steel metal, all you have to do is just change your face watch or watch face to a more of a elegant looking watch face. You could change it to this so that it matches the stainless steel watch band, or you could go to this here like so, and that really matches the brand new watch band you've got there. So it's quite simple, guys, quite simple to adjust and to install. Okay, let's check out some more watch faces. All right, so you got more there. So you have a lot of options if you do decide to change the watch band. They do have other ones as well, leather ones. You have the fabric and so forth. Okay, you could have this one here. There you go. Look at that one. That really matches the stainless steel watch band, eh? Look at that. That looks really, really nice, guys. Really, really nice. So there you have it. I will put a link on the description below where you can get the stainless steel watch band. And once again, guys, if you have any further questions, you know the drill. Just leave it down on the comment down below. And once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.